Welcome to the Expenses section of Notion 1.0 template. Here you can keep track of the different costs that come up in your business. Sometimes it's art supplies needed to make pieces. Other times it's tools, studio costs, cost of courses, travel, markets. You can track it all here. All you have to do is add a page, put the name and the date of purchase. It'll automatically populate the day we are on, or you can go back in time and mark different dates when you bought stuff. We have created also a view so you can see all stuff from this month to see how much you spent this month as well as this year. And then we also have an archived one for all archived expenses. When you're done with these expenses and you're done with a year, press the archive button and it'll move them all over and clear this out for the next year's worth of expenses. And remember, you can always change the type in here by coming in and either typing in a new tag. So you can add studio cost, you can change the title of it, change the color, delete ones that no longer apply to you, and add new ones to best fit and reflect your business.